Okay, what's up guys? This is Liam Calm Game. Today I'm going to talk about this angle compass. So this angle compass is for beginners, which I never use in my bells actually. This angle compass can be used with right here. And what you do is put it where? Here? Yes, here. And you just aim then you shoot. So this angle compass is very useful for beginners. So let me show you one battle when I'm using this angle compass. Okay, so you're in the stadium. Okay, what am I gonna do is I'm gonna use this gravity destroyer and fight with like attack bait. So you see I'm adjusting and there. And you see I got the sliding shoot right. That is what the angle compass can be used for. Yeah. So you see that. Make sure to like, comment, favorite this video. Thank you guys for watching.